Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. It's me again, Jen, and I'm going to teach you how to make this Filipino sweet bread roll called Spanish bread. First, combine 1 cup warm milk and 1 teaspoon white sugar. Mix until the sugar is well dissolved. Next, add the active dry yeast and let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. The milk mixture should look like this. In a large bowl, whisk the flour, sugar, and salt. Then I'm going to make a well in the center and pour the yeast mixture. I'm also going to add the vegetable oil, so I'm putting 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to mix the dough until it forms. Next, I will lightly flour the countertop, and I'm going to transfer the dough in this clean flat surface. I will manually knead the dough for about 7 to 8 minutes until smooth. You may also use an electric stand mixer with the dough hook and mix this for about 6 minutes. So this is now our dough. It's very smooth, and you can lightly poke it with your finger and see if it springs back. Next, I'm going to grease the bowl with cooking oil. I'm going to spread it out like this. You can also use canola spray if that's what you have. Then I'm going to place the dough inside. Now I'm going to cover it with kitchen towel, place inside a warm area, and I will let it rise for about 1.5 hours or until the size is doubled. Meanwhile, prepare the filling by whisking the breadcrumbs, brown sugar, and flour. Then add 1/4 cup milk and 1/4 cup melted butter. Mix well and set aside. The mixture should look like this. Now let's check the dough. This is now how it looks like, and the size is now doubled. Gently punch the dough to release the air bubbles. Then I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the countertop, and I'm going to transfer the dough here. Roll the dough into a log, and then I'm going to divide it into 12 equal pieces. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to divide it into 12 equal pieces. Next, I'm going to roll each pieces into a rectangle and flatten it using a rolling pin. Then I'm going to brush some melted butter. Then just spread the filling in the middle. Now I'm going to gently roll it up tightly. Then I'm gonna place it in a tray and make sure that the end is at the bottom so it won't open when it's baking. So I'm just going to repeat the same procedure on the remaining dough. Now I'm going to lightly brush each roll with milk. Don't skip this step as the milk will serve as a glue to the breadcrumbs. Once it's done, I'm going to roll each pieces into the breadcrumbs. Okay, so this is done. So I'm going to cover it again with a kitchen towel and let it rise for another 30 minutes. While I'm waiting, I'm going to preheat the oven. After 30 minutes, here's our dough. It's now even bigger. Now I'm going to bake this for 25 minutes or until lightly brown. Look at this, guys. This is now our freshly baked Spanish bread. That's how we make Spanish bread. I hope you like this recipe and you can try it as well. Please click on subscribe and tap the bell icon so you can receive notifications when we release new videos.
Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. Visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com because I give tips on how to make this bread on our website. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!